It appears that we have a package.
Woohoo.
Where might that package have come from?
Gee, let me guess. Australia?
Technically, yes, but probably from the U.S. Either way, I think we have just received our new Beast Magnets magnet.
Let's find out.
From Beast Magnets.
Let's find out.
Based in Australia.
Beast mode.
You can find it on Amazon. But either way, let's see what this box contains. What's inside?
A box.
Oh my gosh. There's a box in there. Oh. Now we're getting somewhere. Oh, we got bubble wrap. We can wrap my mom in it. And she can like bump into anything she wants to. And maybe not bleed all over the place. There we go. Beast Magnets by Pop. Platinum Online Products. We are fortunate enough to have sort of partnered with those guys. They're sending us some good gear and we are actually helping them sell it. So, yay.
Let's go Beast mode.
Look up Beast Magnets on Amazon and I will put a link in the bottom of this video for the description and you can click on that. And anytime you buy one, they're going to know that I'm the one that told you about it. So, well, we are the ones that told you about it. Yep. Let's see what's in this box. There's some documentation. Thank you. No, thank you. Beast Magnets, you guys are awesome. Look at this grappling hook.
Oh.
We're going to have to name that one. Jaws. We're going to name him Jaws.
I'm going to name it Don't Step on this one.
Don't step on that one. I ain't getting that out of my foot this time. Yeah. How does that work? Does it spin to open? I don't know. We'll figure it out. We got thread locker, aka Loctite, thread sealer, whatever you want to call it. That is going to be necessary when you screw in these little loops on the magnet, which is down there. You have to wait 24 hours for it to set in before you use it, or you will lose your magnet.
Oh, I have new hands.
Gloves. Lieutenant Dan, you got new fingers.
They fit.
Yeah, kind of.
Oh, yeah.
That looks a lot longer than the ones we have.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Okay, that's a nice one. All right, so there's our rope. And now for the grand finale. The whole reason we do this. Look at those little googly eye things from our ring lights in your glasses. Yeah, hold on. Look,
Am I googly eyed?
Look, just to the right. Just to the right. No, your head. Yeah. All right, the styrofoam thing is stuck together, so we're going to have to pull that apart. And now for the reveal of the actual thing that makes this all work. And it's heavy too, is it not?
It's heavy.
It's pretty heavy. It's a double-sider. It's not 360, which is kind of nice because double-sided magnets are a lot easier to clean because they don't get completely corroded around here. But you got the top and you've got the bottom. Is there a loop on the side?
Yeah.
Yes, there's a loop on the side. And what we would do there is we would hook our grappling hook in conjunction with our magnet if we need some extra assistance pulling something out. And these are the loops. And that's going to get Loctited.
This is amazing.
And we are going to have a lot of fun with that guy right there. I don't think we're going to need pliers because I think that Loctite's going to set nicely. It's got a lock washer on it as well. So we'll just let that do. And you want to go ahead and put this one on the side end? Mm-hmm. Okay. One more lesson in Loctiting. Just let gravity take over. And just get a nice little coating around the threads. It will drip on stuff, but we're over our box, and that's going to get dirty anyway, so we don't really care. All right, so that's good. And now we go into the side, just in case we decide we want to put our grappling hook on here. That's what this side is for, because we'll have so much extra torque and grip for some of those pipes or some of those bicycles or some of those rifles that we may or may not find.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. That's there. So what we're going to do essentially is let it sit, and 24 hours later, we're going to be using that bad boy.
And we're both off tomorrow, aren't we?
We are both off tomorrow, and we get paid tomorrow, so we can have some gas to go a little bit further out. Thank you, Beast Magnets, for being so kind as to support us and hook us up with these beautiful products. Because of you, our life has changed, and we are into the most badass hobby we've ever had. And we're inspiring others too. So get out and get yourself a Beast Magnet. You won't regret it.
Go beast mode.